knee and inhale. With exhalation, bend forward, slowly, slowly. Forward, forward. Finally, if you can put your chest on the mat, chin on the mat. For this, you bend, you stretch your knee as much as possible and feel the stretch in hamstring. And in the final posture, remain here. Stretch your hand forward, forward. Take 2 normal breaths in and out. Now slowly, slowly return back to the normal posture and come to the table pose. Table pose, see your alignment so that your palm is just below your shoulder and your knees just below your thighs. Okay, now remain here 5 cat and cow. Inhale, chin up, thighs up. This time, today we will hold in this position. Inhale and stretch up. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Hold, stretch. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Stretch, stretch. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3. Exhale down. 1, 2, 3. One more. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3. Exhale down. 1, 2, 3. Come to the neutral position and take 1 normal breath in and out. Now we will do spinal balancing. So raise your right arm parallel to your shoulder and left leg. So both arm and leg, try to see there one line and hold here. If you wish, you can take wall support on your leg and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it back. Opposite. Left arm and right leg. But stretching, straight, straight, stretch. Focus on the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. This time, put your right leg up, and bend towards your left side. And try to hold with your left arm. I think this balancing in this one is easier than the previous one. And hold, hold. Feel the stretch in your upper back, lower back and thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your hand first. Bring back your right leg. Now raise your left leg up, and bend towards right side. So once you get balanced, then hold with your right hand fingers and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your hand and leg. Come to the neutral position. Take 1 or 2 normal breath in and out. Now from here, tuck both of your toes and downward facing dog. So when you are in this dog posture, just stretch yourself in any direction. Stretch, but your hand, your palm and your feet will not move. without moving them, whatever way you want to stretch. Continue doing. Stretch. And now slowly bring your right leg up and to the front. So right leg in the front, left leg in front and full forward bend. Now we will do 2 rounds of normal sun salutation because our body is full warmer. So full forward bend, then half forward bend, where your trunk is straight 90 degrees from the mat and only fingertips on the floor. With inhalation, up and back. With exhalation, again forward bending. With inhalation, left leg back, right leg 90 degrees, half moon pose. Hold, hold. Now both palm in front and plank. Body straight line, hold up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now ready for half plank. Put your elbow on the mat and body straight line. Hold up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knee on the floor. Thighs up and chest on the floor. 8 limb salutation. And from here, inhale cobra. Exhale downward facing dog or mountain. Hold. Left leg up and in front, half moon pose. Left leg 90 degrees, right leg behind, and you are bending backward. Again, both palm on front and right leg front. Forward, full forward bend. Half forward bend, raise your trunk 90 degrees, hold. With inhalation, up and backward bend. With exhalation, neutral, straight, heart centered. Take one longer breath in and out. Let's ready your second round of sun salutation. Inhale, up and back. Hold. With exhalation, front and down. You can hold your ankle, you can put finger on the floor, whichever is convenient. Hold here, hold here. Now put both palm on the mat and take right leg back. Half moon pose, left leg 90 degrees, right leg back. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now both palm on the front and take left leg back, plank. Hold 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now ready for half plank. Both elbow on the floor and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knee on the floor, thighs up, chest on the floor, chin on the floor. 8 limb salutation. Hold here. Take one normal breath in and out. With inhalation, cobra. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now extend both legs. Extended cobra. Inhale. With exhalation, bend towards your left side and try to see right leg go. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to center. Now with inhalation, opposite side. And then normal breath and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to center. And with the same position now come to mountain. First come on the table pose. How to do transition from cobra to mountain, from cobra to table and then mountain. And hold here. Hold. Take one breath, very deep breath from mouth and exhale, from nose and exhale mouth. One more. Right leg up and front, half move. Right leg 90 degrees, left leg back straight. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both palm in front and bring left leg in front. Full forward bend. Full forward bend. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half forward bend. Turn 90 degrees from the mat and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With inhalation up and backward. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With exhalation, come to your heart center. Remain straight on your mat. We will do some standing posture like this. Normalize your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now both legs together, we will do chair pose. So bend your knee little bit. And with inhalation, raise your both arm up and in front of your face. And hold here. Your both palm can join. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with exhalation, bend towards your left hand side. So both of your right elbow is on little bit up of your right knee and you are looking up. Left hand side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again come to the center. And with exhalation, bend towards right hand side. Normal breath. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to the center and slowly release your knee. And come to the neutral position. Now slowly we will keep doing some of standing posture by increasing the space between your feet. So we in the chair pose, both feet were together. Now put the distance of 1 feet between both of your feet. 1 feet distance. Now we will do Kati Chakrasana, spinal twisting. Place your right palm on left shoulder. Right palm on left shoulder and your right arm is on the back. You can see me. And bend towards your left side. You will bend that side where your hand is touching shoulder. Bend. Bend. So your knee and your feet will not move. Straight. Tight. Only your waist moving. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the exhalation, come to center. Now, again, opposite position of your hand. Put your left palm on your right shoulder. Right hand on your waist and you bend towards right hand side. Those with the neck pain, don't bend your neck. Neck straight, only your waist will bend. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to the neutral position. And let's do same thing 3 times but faster. So, right palm on the left shoulder, bend towards left. Come back. Opposite. Come back. Opposite. Come back. Opposite. Come back. One last round. This is called Kati Chakrasana, spinal twisting. And last, come back. Come to the neutral position. Now we will again increase the space between both legs. Now it is 2 feet. We were having first closed leg 1 feet, now 2 feet. And now 2 feet we will do triangle pose. So then triangle pose we will bend towards right. So if you are bending right, your feet will be 90 degree and left feet will be 45 degree. So both arm stretch on the shoulder length. Inhale. With exhalation, bend towards right. Bend right. Try to see your whole body in one line. So for that, you may need to bend move your trunk towards back side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knee will not bend. Feel the stretch in whole leg muscle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To release the posture, put your left hand on your waist to minimize any strain and slowly come back to the neutral posture. Now bend your left feet 90 degree feet and right 45 degree. Both arms stretch, out stretch, and we will bend towards left hand side. Inhale. Exhale, bend left side. You can hold either your ankle or if you can touch floor, fine. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your right arm on your waist and slowly come to the center. And again, leg will not move. Leg we did 2 feet, now we will do 3 feet. Now again, outstretch your leg. Now this time you outstretch as much as you can do. So with both arms up, inhale up, fully stretch. Stretch on your shoulder. So your upper arm is touching your ear. And hold here. Hold here. Take normal breath in. With exhalation, bend forward. Knee will not move, feet will not move, and you try to bend as much as possible. And at final, your trunk will be 90 degree. You are not bending full 90 degree, like half forward bend, but a leg outstretch. Hold here. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Feel the stretch in your calf muscle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in the same posture, put your both palm on the floor and now you try to bend forward. If you want to expand your leg more, you expand it, and try to take your head towards the floor. If somebody is having high blood pressure problem, don't move, bend forward, remain in the previous position. And in the final position, try to touch your head to the mat. And feel the stretch in your hamstring muscles. If you cannot touch your head to the mat, no problem, but your leg should be fully stretched. And you are supported with your palm. Hold here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to the half bend. Half bend, turn 90 degree. You are supported with your finger in the mat. Hold here. And from here, bring both legs closer. Walk with your leg closer, and sit here in squat position or Malasana. So for this, sit in the squat, and both of your palm in the prayer pose, and push your bended knee with your palm. But here challenge is even for me to keep spine erect, because if I am keeping my heel on the floor, my spine is not getting erect. So focus on the spine erect even if your heel is not touching on the floor. Spine erect is more important here. So spine erect. Feet either touching on the ground or little up, and you are pressing your elbow. You're pressing your thighs with your elbow and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from here, place both palms in front and come to the mountain pose. 3 normal breath in with the nose, exhale with mouth. One more. Now from mountain, right leg up, 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 stretch. Stretch as much you can stretch. And hold here. So you will feel the stretch in your left leg calf muscle and right leg full stretch from toe to thigh area. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly, slowly come, take it to the front. So your right leg front, left leg straight and half moon pose. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both arm in front, left leg front, full forward bend. Take normal breath in and out, full forward bend. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half forward bend, turn 90 degrees from the mat. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With inhalation, up and backward bend. Back, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come to the heart center, prayer pose. Take one normal breath in and out. Now we will do one full round simple sun salutation and then we will do some other abdominal asana. So every step I will count 1 to 6. Inhale up and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, backward, forward bending, full forward bending, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, left leg back, right leg 90 degree, half moon pose, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both palm in front, plank. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knee back on the floor, thighs up, chest on the floor, chin on the floor, hold. 8 limb salutation, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With inhalation, half cobra. Bear both of your elbow on the side of your body, feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With exhalation, tuck your toes and mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhalation, left leg up, up, stretch and back, bring to the front. Left leg 90 degree, right leg back and half moon. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both palm on front and bring back your right leg in front and full forward bend. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With inhalation up and for backward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Exhale. Take one normal breath in and out before we do our second round and last round of sun salutation. Inhale up and back. 1, 2, knee will not bend. 4, 5, 6. Exhale, full forward bending. With full exhalation on the final pose, normal breath. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time both palm on the floor and right leg back. Left leg 90 degree. Backward, trunk backward bend. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both palm front and plank. Hold plank up to 10. 1. When you're doing plank, squeeze your tummy inward. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knee on the floor, thighs up, chest on the floor, chin on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With inhalation, half cobra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With exhalation, tuck your toes and mountain. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with inhalation, right leg up, stretch, stretch, bring to front. Right leg 90 degree, left back, bend backward. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both palm in the front, left leg in front, full forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, up, up and back bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With exhalation, neutral, prayer pose. Remain here and come and sit on your mat. Sit your mat, release your leg. We will do some more stretching for our spinal, flexible spine. So hold, release your leg, shake it, shake it. Now what you do, bend both of your knee towards your chest and hold your big toes. So right palm is holding right leg, big toes, and left leg. Normalize your breath. For here, you can also take the supporter wall. You can sit by taking the supporter wall. We will do spinal balancing. So both of your arm in between your knee. So your both arms spine erect in between your knee, and slowly, slowly raise your both feet up like a boat pose, but you are holding your big toes. So for here, if you find it difficult to do like this, you use belt this time. So this one will give you good stretch and good balance. So those having a belt, use belt and then hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly, slowly stretch both of your leg, feet, outstretch them and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe here what you can do, even practice band. Everybody have a band, just with a band come in the boat pose. And it is quite easy, but it will give you good balance and stretch. Hold here. I hope everybody is having band. And now slowly, slowly with the same, try to lie down on the floor there so that your leg is 90 degree. If your leg is not 90 degree, 80 degree, this is fine, but knee should not bend. If your knee does not bend, you will feel the 90 degree. Full stretch from calf to hamstring muscle. Hold, 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 hold. And now slowly, slowly release both legs and come to the caucus pose. Relax a little bit. Palm facing sky. Relax one breath. So before we do 2 or 3 more postures. Inhale with nose, exhale with mouth. One more. Now we will do some twisting because with all those postures there may be some strain on your back. So try to release any tension from your back. Let's do some. This is called now outstretch both of your arm on your shoulder. Bend both knees. Inhale. With exhalation, both knee right side and your face left side. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to the neutral position. Inhale. With exhalation, knee left side, face right side. And hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to neutral position. Now this time, both leg again on flat on the floor. Raise your only right leg up, up, up. And if you can hold with now you bend knee little and hold with your left arm and bend towards left side. So here the important thing is don't raise your shoulder. While shoulder on the floor, try to bend as much as your right leg can bend towards left side. And hold here. Shoulder tuck on the floor, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, and slowly raise your leg up and down. So in this, still even using band is helpful. So what you do now, raise your right leg up, up, using band and take it towards right hand side. Shoulder on the floor and bend. You can see full stretching on your lower back. You can feel stretching in your hamstring, your calf muscle. Hold here. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can hold more, keep holding. And slowly return back. Okay, these two stretching was to release the tension from your back. Now we will do bridge pose. Bend both knee and little distance between both knee below your thighs. Shoulder on the floor. With inhalation, move up. Your shoulder on the floor, only chest and back will move up. And hold here. Hold. Either you can touch your ankle or you can interlock both arm and stretching. Hold here at least 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you can hold, continue holding. With exhalation, 10. Then stretch your leg. Now let's come to the lateral position, Anantasana, which is both leg each on one after above, and you are on the lateral position, your left palm on your head, and release and relax. Only swing both your right leg up and down, up, down, up, down. Now increase your up. If you can go up 90% and you can touch with your finger, do it that much. Now increase the angle 90 down, 90 degree down, 90 degree down, 90 degree down, last 90 degree, and hold here. Now hold, right leg fully stretch, left leg straight, on the floor stretch, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you can take the help of belt in this also. Bring it back. Now we will do same opposite side. You bend towards your opposite side, whatever side you did. Support your head with your palm. Opposite hand on your thighs and swing your leg little bit up and down before we move to 90 degree. Up, down, up, down. Now, either using band or without band, your leg up 90 degree, down. Up 90 degree or 70 degree, 80 degree, down. Up. Important is stretching and hold like muscle. Angle can be less also. 2 more, up, down. Last, up and hold. Now hold at 90 degree, knee straight and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and release. And slowly come back on your tummy. We will do just last one posture on our tummy before we start breathing. Today we are going to do some new thing in breathing, so be attentive during the breathing. Release your tension. And at last we will do bow pose or Dhanurasana. So for Dhanurasana, take a position first. Bend both knee and hold ankle with your palm. Remain in this posture. Now slowly raise your both upper body and thighs. Inhale. Raise up. If you are able to raise upper body and thighs, your second focus can be stretching your leg. So increase the distance between both of leg so that you feel stretch in your shoulder. And those who are able to do even this thing, now you can roll your body right and left. So whatever posture you are comfortable, go beyond and hold here. Full massage of your tummy. Hold here. 7, 8, 9. With exhalation, bring back your feet. Then your head and release. Now, relax for 3 normal breath in and out. On normal crocodile pose.